for showing me home, for singing these tears. Finally I found that I belong here. The heat and the sickly sweet smelling sheets that cling to the backs of my knees and my feet. Well, I'm drowning in time to a desperate beat. And I thank you for bringing me here, for showing me home, for singing these tears. Finally I've found that I belong. Feels like home. I should have known